Hello, friends. I am Professor Suradita Saha from Kolkata. My phone number 8017309883. My email ID is sanshaha82@gmail.com. You can mail me at the sanshaha82@gmail.com. Now, today, Sunday, I am going to predict with GAN Financial Astrology prediction of Nifty. That is very much important where America and global tension with Iran, China, Russia are going through. Now, emergencally, I going to predict Nifty views because all investors should invest your money at the level of which Nifty level in Nifty stocks or mid cap index or small cap index. Nifty now on the 9150 level from peaking 9273. Previously I said 9275 to 9335 is the hurdle for the Nifty from long 2016-29 February low 6825.80. This is 14th cycle of the Nifty level. This 14th cycle is seems as a peak for short term period, and then Nifty may come if breaks 9150 level for the global tension, for the global worries of a war. But there is a confirmation I want to make to all friends. There will be no March any war. I feel the global tension will arise to the investors' conception, and I think Nifty may correct 200 point from current level at the price of 8980. This is three at least two cycle correction of the Nifty from the top 9273 in the month of April high. Now 8980 is above the previous peak 8968. Whichever cross it, Nifty make a new high. I was said in Twitter, and I say Nifty if below goes to 8968, then there will be a major correction in the Nifty. But the continuation pattern in the technical chart and the GAN technicals predict 8968 will be hold as a closing basis, and 8980 going to be the next low. And if their Nifty get a short covering rally, because this is expiry contract going next 2 weeks after, and closing above 9000 possibility is 100%. C 10,675 at the year end target of the Nifty in India. Lastly, 9273 new peak in Nifty has been happening. Now 9275 and 9335 is the hurdle for the Nifty. Again, invest as much as you can now in India. The 200 point fall in Nifty is a priority to invest into India. Bank, auto, IT, pharma, agro product, consumer goods, auto ancillary, infra, and also cement, metal, plastic product, tires, all the sectors will go up. Avoid technology and telecom and bank and financial, I said earlier, but there is a risky asset is there. Technology and telecom sector in a very much bear market, and these will revive within 2017 August onwards. And I say banker financial is a risky asset. So if Nifty falls with Bank Nifty falls, there is no worry. There is a good opportunity to buy banks of mid cap like Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank, RBL Bank. I am not predict to Nifty, bank, because the return ROE and ROI is very bad for the Nifty bank, but the mid cap bank is very much outperform. Bank Nifty will be new peak coming soon within 2 or 3 weeks. Focus on mid caps, focus on small caps than Nifty in next 2 to 3 months. Nifty return 10% possibility in next 2 to 3 months, and but the small cap and mid cap 20% peak from current level is possibility in next 2 to 3 months, and it is better for the investors to trade or invest for short term and long term in mid cap and small caps will get more return. Mid cap are very much in good fundamental and many stocks are 52-week high, but the valuations on the basis of their growth and earnings are very much in the line of control. So you should get advice from your research analyst to invest before in mid cap stocks. Mid cap may correct with its high PE, but which stocks? What I recommend in the YouTube last 4 weeks, that is only research stocks. But my clients, my portfolio based clients are only covered their portfolio as per their research analysis. I believe Nifty may show a big short covering near 9,000 level, because 9,100 put is highest open interest in this contract of April, and 9,300 call highest open interest in this contract. So 9,300 crossing is hurdle, and 9,000 below closing is a no chance possibility. So invest in every fall in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you soon get new high in the Bank Nifty, because dollar is fallen, in the US dollar is fallen, and the emerging market money will be risen more, and it will be in mid cap and small cap. I see US dollar fall a good, but the crude rise is a big concern for me, because crude rise on the tension like gold. Gold may test $1,300 within 1 month, but this is the time to invest in jewelry and diamond sector or gold sector like Goldium International, like PC Jeweler, and I believe like Titan. And if you invest now, gold may rise up to $1,380 and crude may rise up to $65 within next 1 to 2 months. But this is not a worry for India, because India is so much well developed now. I see current account deficit may recover within June, and Nifty will make a new high within June. And I believe Bank Nifty is growing in this quarter of April, and NPA will be only minimized for their management systems, and Bank Nifty will make a new high soon before Nifty, and mid cap will outperform more than Bank Nifty and Nifty. So invest into the market of India, because Gann Technical says there is a big recovery coming through. The continuation pattern on the chart will continue if 8968 hold, and 9335 crossing will give the level of 9850 actually the price, and the level is between 9775 to 9935 or 25. So This is the range of the Nifty will come within June 9850, the 10% from current level, and this will come for the GST modulation, the government recoveries in the system of finance, in the system of global recovery, on the global concern of war. I see every bull rally comes after confirmation of global relief, and if you want to invest in the panic situation, you will be a better bet on the market. So happy trading day tomorrow morning. I see Nifty will test the 9000 level soon, and if this level will taken, a big short covering rally will come in, and I see Nifty 9335 crossing, and I see in June Nifty peak 9800 to 9900, and this is the time to invest in India for the 1000 point rally around. So good night.